Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 2.1.3 Keyboard, no exception. This involves ensuring that all functionality of the website or web application can be accessed and operated through a keyboard, without the need for a mouse or any other non-keyboard device. This helps users with motor disabilities, who cannot use a mouse, to access and operate the website using only the keyboard. Here are some examples of how to implement this success criterion in code. Ensure all interactive elements, such as buttons, links, form controls, and media controls, can be reached and activated with the keyboard alone. Use HTML elements and attributes that are keyboard accessible, such as the tab index attribute, to control the order in which elements receive focus. Avoid creating modal dialogues or other non-modal dialogues that trap keyboard focus, as this makes it difficult for keyboard-only users to navigate the website or web application. Provide keyboard-accessible alternatives for mouse-only events, such as hover effects. Test the website or web application with a keyboard-only approach to ensure that all functionality can be accessed and operated using only the keyboard. Here's an example in HTML and JavaScript. In this example, the button element is given an id of my button. A JavaScript event listener is added to the button that listens for the keydown event. If the key that was pressed is the enter key, the button's click method is called, which simulates a mouse click on the button. This allows keyboard-only users to activate the button using the keyboard.